Hello my dear friends, this is PaintyKat. My name is Catherine. Today we're gonna continue paint with palette knives and we will mix this kind of tools with brushes, of course, for better detailing, for small lines and elements, and with corner swabs, because with these tools we can create really pretty flowers. It's a small composition, 1824. You can see that it's fixed, it's a canvas on board and it's fixed with a tape. And I'm starting with palette knife with a sky, cobalt blue and white. You can see here some shapes, some sketch lines, and in real-time tutorial I also demonstrating sketching for this painting. If you like to draw and paint with me step by step with detailed comments about color mixing, techniques, tools we're using here, real-time tutorial going for 1 hour and 23 minutes and available on the links down below. Welcome, join me here if you want to paint together. This video, it's a demonstration version of tutorial, and here I will share just main steps you will need to follow if you want to paint this composition. Yes, we will create a blue door. I will use the same color, which is a cobalt blue, as I used on a previous one with blue window shutters. These two paintings can look as a pretty set in a Provence or Toscana style, which I really like. I like those kind of paintings, and well, I like combination of landscape and some architectural elements. And I think in the next video we will complete this set with the last composition. If you like the style of the paintings, join me, subscribe my channel and don't miss next videos. Thank you very much for joining me here, for supporting my channel, and thank you for watching. That's it. I will sign my painting and let's remove tape. Let's see how it's turned. If you like this video, thumbs up. And if you like to paint with acrylic, join my channel. In future we will have more interesting tutorials and hopefully they will bring maybe some interesting ideas for your own creativity. My friends, I'll catch you on my next videos. It was a PaintyKat. Bye bye.